Hello, welcome back to my channel Learn and Practice with Teju. So today in this video we are going to see about the surface areas and the volume, the weightage which is 7 marks. Okay, let's go into the video. See the formula related to this. So first they are telling cube, lateral surface area, total surface area and volume. So first of all, what is meant by lateral surface area? Think that this is a cube. Okay, this is a cube means in which all the sides are equal. So lateral surface area means the which is surrounding places, means surrounding means like this 1, 2, 3 and 4, surrounding that which is not touching the bottom, it is known as a lateral surface. Surrounding the sides are known as lateral surface area. So for the cube, how many sides are there? So each cube will have the area of, for the square, area of the square is a square. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you see? 1, 2, 3, 4. Total 4 sides for the cube it is there. And each side has a square, a square, a square and a square. So lateral surface area is a square plus a square plus a square plus a square is 4a square. So lateral surface is surrounding. Total surface area means surrounding plus top and bottom. Okay. Total surface is top and bottom and the surrounding. So 4a square we have got from lateral surface area and top is a square and a square. So total 6a square we have got. Volume means how much it is occupying the space. See, if I keep the box like this, see, tell me how much it is occupying the space. Length, this one length, breadth, this one, and height, how much it is taking the space. So length, breadth and height. So for the cube, every side is same. So a into a, 3 times a, length a, breadth a and height a. So a cube we will get. Okay, so at last I am telling lateral surface is surrounding places, surrounding sides 1, 2, 3, 4. Total surface is surrounding sides plus top and the bottom. Okay, and next volume means how much it is occupying the space. Suppose I am keeping the box here. How much it is occupying? We will calculate length, breadth and height. Okay. Let us think this is a cuboid. So for cuboid, lateral surface is 2HL plus 2H and B means, so consider lateral surface what I told, surrounding. I have kept this phone like this, surrounding sides is known as a lateral surface area. So for the lateral surface area, how much we are getting? 2H into L, 2HL. So 1 length and 1 length, 2 lengths we will have got, and here 1 height is there. So we are getting the sides are 2 length are there and the 2 height are there. This one height and this one height. And again, and while calculating this sides, 1 breadth and 1 breadth, 2 breadths and the height, this one height. So 2 length, 2 breadth, and for this 2 length also height will calculated, and for this 2 breadth also height will be calculated. Okay, 2 length into height, 2 breadth into height. So lateral surface area we have got this one. And the total surface area, how much they are saying? 2 into LB plus L into, L means length, L into breadth plus breadth into height plus height into length. Okay. And the volume, how much it is occupying? Length, breadth and height. Length, breadth and height. Okay, for cuboid it is that. And for the cylinder, lateral surface area is 2 pi r. See the cylinder, lateral surface is 2 pi r h. So this is the cylinder. So it is in the form of cylinder only. So this is in the cylinder. 2 pi r h. Lateral surface means I told surrounding. So surrounding means circumference of a circle. It is in the form of circle only, no? Face of the cylinder. Round it is circumference of the circle 2 pi r. And this one height. 2 pi r, round surrounding with circumference of the circle 2 pi r into h, 2 pi r into 2, if I keep like this, so round, if I turn like this, 2 pi r into h, this one height will come. And the lateral surface area 2 pi r h we have got. Total surface area is they given as 2 pi r into h plus r. 2 pi r into h plus r means 2 pi r h means lateral surface area plus 2 pi r square. Total surface is 2 pi r into h plus r, that is 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square. So 2 pi r h we know lateral surface area. What I told total surface area? Surrounding lateral surface area plus top and the bottom. So top it is in the shape of circle. So what is an area for the circle? Pi r square. And it bottom also is in the shape of circle. It is in the form of circle only. So area of the circle is pi r square. So pi r square plus pi r square 2 pi r square. So total surface area of the cylinder is 2 pi r h, that is lateral surface area, plus pi r square plus pi r square, that is 2 pi r into h plus r. We have taken the common. For the next is cone. Cone is lateral surface pi r l. So is this is in the form of cone? Is this in the form of cone? So see it is in the form of cone. So they are telling lateral surface area means surrounding. Surrounding is pi is 22 by 7, and for the circle we will have some radius, so that is r, and this slant is there, no, that is known as an L. Pi r L. Surrounding is pi r into this one is length. We don't know. For one cone, one length will be there, so L. And total surface area for each and every one lateral surface area will come in the total surface area. So total surface area will include the lateral surface area means surroundings plus pi r square. Why it is getting here pi r square? We can see here. See here, pi r into L, pi r L plus pi r into r, pi r square. Pi r square is the area of circle. Why you are getting area of circle? You can see at the top how it is in the shape of circle only. So the shape of the circle, area of the circle is pi r square. So we are writing it pi r square. And the volume. So volume will be 1 by 3 pi r square h, means in the cylinder it will be the 1 by 3 pi r square h. 1 by 3 pi r square h. Okay. The cylinder will be here pi r square h, but in the volume in the cone is 1 by 3, means 1 by 3 part of the cylinder. And the L, this slanting line is equals to square root of radius r square plus h square, square root of r square plus h square, square root of r square plus h square. And you can see the sphere. Lateral surface area of a sphere is 4 pi r square. Why 4 pi r square? So this is the sphere. Okay. If you see at the top, we will get the circle shape. So area of the circle is pi r square. If you side here, it is also in the circle shape. So pi r square. This is also in the form of circle, pi r square, and this one is also in the 4 pi r square. So pi r square, pi r square, pi r square, pi r square. Total 4 sides. Total 4 sides is there, 4 circles is there, pi r square plus pi r square plus pi r square plus pi r square. If you add 4 pi r square 4 times, you will get 4 pi r square. So lateral surface is also same in the sphere. Total surface also in the same. If total surface, lateral surface means what I told, sides. Total surface means including top and the bottom. If you keep like this, it will become this one will top. If you keep this one, that will become top or bottom. Okay. So lateral surface and the total surface in the sphere is same, and the volume will be 4 by 3 pi r cube. So volume will be how much it is occupying the space, 4 by 3 pi r cube. Okay. Next, hemisphere. Hemisphere is, if you cut this sphere in the middle, you will get then hemisphere. Okay. If you cut this sphere in the middle, you will get then hemisphere. If you cut this part, and the remaining this part is known as hemisphere. Okay. So how much we are getting here? Pi r square. This one total pi r square, and this, if you say this one is also pi r square. So lateral surface area is pi r square, and the pi r square, 2 pi r square we will get. And the total surface area is lateral surface area 2 pi r square plus, if you cut this part, we will get this, if you cut this part, we will get like this, open. like this it will be open here. So that will also include pi r square. So 2 pi r square plus pi r square, that is 3 pi r square. And the volume will be half of this. So 4 by 3 pi r cube, here we will get 2 by 3 pi r cube. Next we come to the frustum of the cone, very important. Okay, why I am doing this is the cone. This is the cone. I am cutting here. I am cutting at the top. I am cutting at the top means you will get circle shape, small circle shape here you will get. So it will be like this, in this much it will be length, it will be there, and the open will be not like this, in the circle shape will be there if you cut this one. So for this one, lateral surface is pi L into R1 plus R2. Total surface area is lateral surface plus pi L into R1 plus R2 plus pi R1 square plus pi R2 square. Why R1 square, pi R1 square, pi R2 square? This total big circle pi R2 square. Pi R1 square means area of the circle, and if you cut this one you will get small circle, no, that one small circle, pi R2 square. Pi R1 square is the big circle, pi R2 square is the small circle, and the volume will be 1 by 3 pi h into R1 square plus R2 square plus R1 R2, and this L will be equals to square root of h square plus R1 minus R2 whole square. H square plus R1 minus R2 whole square. Here for the cone, lateral surface is equals to square root of R square plus H square. And the perimeter for the base of cylinder, cone and the hemisphere. Perimeter means what? Surroundings of that. For the, if you take the cylinder, perimeter means surroundings. What it is there? 2 pi r. It is in the form of circle only. So circumference of the circle is 2 pi r. Circumference or perimeter is same meaning only. So 2 pi r. If you take the cone also, perimeter is, it is in the form of also circle only, no? So that is also 2 pi r. If you take then hemisphere also if you take, it is in the form of circle. So that perimeter also equals to 2 pi r. Okay.